Subscribe to my channel Coco TV 3R and hit the bell icon for the latest notification. Parrot. This is parrot. Parrot are known for their vibrant plumage and ability to mimic sounds including human speech. Parrot. This is parrot.
What is this, kids? This is owls. Owls are nocturnal birds of prey known for their silent flight and ability to rotate their heads up to 270 degrees. Owl, very silent killer.
This is emu. Emus are the second tallest birds. Native to Australia, these flightless birds are omnivorous. Emu. This is emu.
Second tallest bird. What is this, kids? This is pigeon. Pigeons are medium-sized bird with plump bodies and small beaks. Their homing ability having been historically used by messenger. Pigeon. What is this, baby? This is peacock. Peacocks with their vibrant and iridescent plumage are renowned for the male's impressive tail. They are the national bird of India. Peacock are very beautiful bird in the India.
Penguin. Penguins are flightless seabirds with flippers instead the wings, known for their ability to swim and dive. Penguin. Penguin.
What is this, baby? This is hummingbirds, are tiny vibrant birds renowned for their incredible flying ability. Humming sounds their wings often 12 to 80 times per second. Hummingbirds, small birds in the world.
What is this? Yes, this is kingfisher. Kingfishers are small, brightly colored birds known for their fishing prowess. They hunt for fish and other aquatic prey. Kingfisher.
What is this, baby? This is cockatoos. Cockatoos are a type of parrot known for their prominent crest, curved beak. They are highly social and intelligent bird. Cockatoos are a very beautiful bird.
This is bat. Bats are the only mammals capable of true flight. Belonging to the order Chiroptera, there are over 1400 species of bats. This is bat.
What is this? This is cranes. Cranes are the tall, long legs and long necked birds. They are omnivorous, feeding on both plants and animals.
This is eagle. Eagles are large, powerful birds of prey known for their sharp talons, hooked beaks, and strong soaring flight. Eagle. This is eagle, king of bird.
What is this? This is flamingo. Flamingos are tall, wading birds known for their pink or reddish plumage. Flamingo can sleep standing off one leg. Flamingo, very tall bird.
This is woodpecker. Woodpeckers are known for their distinctive habit of picking the trees using their strong beaks. Woodpecker. This is woodpecker.
What is this? This is hawks. Hawks are bird of prey known for their sharp talon hooked beak and powerful wing used for hunting. This is hawks, very clever hunters.
This is sparrow. Sparrows are small, common birds. They are known for form flocks and often nest in or near building. sparrow.
What is this, baby? This is swans. Swans are symbol of love. Swan are large, graceful water bird, known for their elegant appearance and long neck. White color, swan. It is symbol of love. I love swan.
This is vulture. Vultures are large birds. They play a vital role in the ecosystem by cleaning up dead animals, preventing the spread of disease. Vulture.
What is this? This is turkey. Turkey is a large bird. Wild turkeys are strong and can run at impressive speed. Turkey. It is origin in Turkey. Turkish bird. It's a beautiful bird.